Recently, I discovered that I had lost 82 first page keyword rankings on TPT. 82. And honestly, if I hadn't been tracking the data, I may not have noticed it right away. Because here's the scary part. I've been selling on TPT for more than 17 years, generated over 1.7 million in sales, and consistently remain among the top sellers on the platform. And even I almost missed it. Many sellers don't realize they've lost rankings until sales start declining. By then, the visibility problem has already been happening for months. So let's talk about why products lose ranking and what that means for your store. One of the biggest misconceptions I see is that sellers assume rankings are permanent. They are not. Just because a product ranked on page 1 last year doesn't mean it will rank on page 1 today. Rankings change all the time. New competitors enter the market. Existing competitors improve their products. Search behavior changes. And sometimes TPT simply adjusts how products are displayed. The result? Products that once generated consistent visibility slowly began slipping down the search results. When I reviewed my own data, I discovered I had lost 82 first page keyword rankings. Now, that doesn't mean those products disappeared completely. Many are still ranking. They're just ranking lower than they were before. And when a product moves from page 1 to page 2, 3, or 4, visibility often drops dramatically. The challenge is that many sellers respond by creating more products. But creating more products doesn't automatically solve a visibility problem. In many cases, the better question is, why did visibility decline in the first place? This is where identifying the right constraint becomes so important. If visibility is the real issue, then creating more products may not help. If conversion is the issue, more traffic may not help. If product strategy is the issue, updating keywords may not help. The goal is to identify the system that is currently limiting growth instead of assuming the answer. One simple thing you can do this week is to review a handful of your most important products. Ask yourself, are they still ranking for the keywords that I expect? Has traffic changed? Have sales changed? Have competitors improved their listings? Sometimes the warning signs appear long before a major sales decline. If you're not sure what is currently limiting growth in your TPT store, download the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you identify the system that deserves your attention first. And in the next video, we're going to look at another visibility issues many sellers miss. Why teachers aren't finding your products in the first place. I will see you in the next video.